It's the evening before Hoffman's big annual sale. Early bird shoppers are already queued up on the streets or are at home eagerly hitting refresh on their browsers. They're excited about advertised specials, hoping to swiftly snap up the limited quantities of the most popular children's toys, trending video game consoles, and designer apparel. Fluid fleet logistics and location dispatch are vital to the success of retail business on such a paramount day. Working all day and night, delivery drivers are transporting stock from our warehouses to retail outlets. Inventory teams are managing stock. Customer service teams are fully engaged to ensure customers will experience nothing less than excellence. Systems engineers are on standby, ready to respond and resolve any unanticipated infrastructure issues due to this seasonal spike in traffic. Platform engineers are monitoring all aspects of their e-commerce platforms and their buyers' end-to-end journey. And our CIO is proactively checking all digital channels to ensure a successful day. And now the evening unfolds. The delivery driver is on his way to the retail outlet when suddenly Noah, the inventory operations engineer, notices the truck has come to a standstill.
Uh-oh, looks like there's an issue with one of our deliveries. This truck hasn't moved for 5 minutes already. I'll handle this. Good thing I designed a response play for circumstances like this. After 5 minutes, this type of issue is escalated to higher urgency. Through PagerDuty's event-triggered webhooks, we automatically dispatched roadside assistance to that stalled truck. We also proactively sent the next scheduled delivery early to ensure that stock is delivered on time to the store.
With just one click, Noah runs a response play to automatically engage additional teams, initiate a conference bridge just in case it's needed, and inform stakeholders of current status.
Priority 1 response play executed. There is no time to waste.
Well informed by additional grouped incidents about increasing engine temperature, the repairman will proceed to fix the problem as soon as the engine cools down.
Oh good, turns out the mechanic got our stalled truck running again really quickly. Now we can slot its load back into today's delivery schedule. Time to close this incident out. Good thing our next delivery was ready to go and we could send it out early to the store. Having no stock available for customers to buy would have meant lost revenue on our biggest day of the year.
Always on and always prepared in the moment of hypercare via round-robin scheduling, several teams of systems engineers will have all 5 floors of the flagship store covered in the event of any surprises that occur during opening hours. Still, hours before the store opens, Miyoko, a systems engineer, is covering the night shift when suddenly she receives a P1 notification from PagerDuty on her mobile phone.
Oh no, New York payment terminals are unable to process orders. Good thing we're catching this early in off hours. Let's get this fixed fast before our customers are impacted in the morning. I'll quickly run this P1 response play to let the stakeholders, executives, and especially customer service operations team know that orders can't be processed and there's potential risk to customers. Yikes. This can't calculate sales tax P1 seems related. Glad I engaged the platform engineering team from the play. They can further investigate and fix this quickly.
Ronaldo, the platform engineer who is on call and is already working on the issue with the sales tax API, views the PagerDuty service graph. It helps him visualize the business and technical service dependencies across the entire digital ecosystem and assess the impact radius of the incident.
Wow, that sales tax service is impacting the in-store RFID and payment devices just at the New York store, but luckily not our web or mobile channels. Unfortunately, this has been happening frequently. This change seems like an accident. No web or mobile change events. Also, PagerDuty's machine learning is suggesting that this problem's actually occurred before, so this update shouldn't have happened.
Over the next 5 minutes, thanks to PagerDuty Runbook automation that helps automate manual tasks, what could have taken over 30 minutes to execute, Reynaldo accomplishes in little time. He views the automation options and decides to run a few Runbook actions. First, he quickly confirms the root cause with some diagnostics.
Almost done. I'll execute this runbook action to roll back to the last successful update instead. Great, the rollback was successful.
Meanwhile, our customer service operations representative who is on call also joins in.
I'll subscribe to this incident and stand by. It's better for me to be proactive and ready to send out an apology to customers along with a discount coupon just in case checkout isn't restored in time for the store opening. We need to keep Hoffman's a place for happy customers.
Reynaldo heads to the kitchen for a cup of coffee and hops onto Slack on his mobile phone to send a response note.
The rollback to 2.0 was successful.
Miyoko and Reynaldo resolve their incidents.
RFID checkout is restored with no impact to customers.
Now back to business as usual. I'll get started on that postmortem soon. I'll make sure to include some timeline activity from Slack, Reynaldo's remediation activity, especially those runbook actions, and other important details useful to the management and our new hires like Olivia.
Our CIO, Ava, has recently been promoted given her recent success with the retailer's digital transformation. This is her first time as CIO on such a big annual sale day, a critical defining moment. With ongoing conference calls throughout the day, she's kept up to date on all critical business services through PagerDuty's status dashboard and stakeholder updates.
Not flawless, but not completely unexpected on such a busy day. I'll take no impact to customers as well as minimal response costs associated with the P1 over no inventory or unhappy customers.
As the day ends, Ava puts her feet up to rest, assesses the operational risk for the day, and rejoices over this year's increased revenue and lower responder costs. PagerDuty was our retailer's lifeline for managing mission-critical real-time work. Today would have been an absolute disaster without PagerDuty to manage our entire operations at scale on the most crucial day of the year.